Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to fix FaceTime not working. But as always, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel. And don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure that your device has a Wi-Fi connection to the internet or a cellular data connection here. Like currently mine use cellular data. And the second step, go to the settings apps on your phone. Now tap on the FaceTime option and make sure that FaceTime is on. Here I'm gonna search it, my FaceTime. I'm gonna search at the search bar top, FaceTime. I'm gonna type on it. And yeah, if you don't see the FaceTime setting, make sure that camera and FaceTime aren't off in settings. Just go to the screen time here. And now go to the content and privacy restriction. After that, go ahead to allow apps. Just swiping the toggle next to FaceTime, switch to the right. And yeah, when it turns green, that means it's enabled. And now, the third, if you're trying to use FaceTime over cellular, make sure that you use cellular data is on for FaceTime. To check it, just go ahead to the settings again. Now go ahead to the cellular option. After that, you just have to scroll it down to find out the FaceTime option. And here you are. Then turn on the FaceTime. And yeah, now the fourth step, go to the settings again and go ahead to the general option. Now tap on the data and time and turn on set automatically like that. Yeah, when it's turned green, that means it's enabled or on. The fifth step, you have to reset your device. But if it's still not work, you have to update your device to the latest version of iOS. So yeah, that's it guys. I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.